Today I'll be showing you all 5 glam bag items and how to use them. Let's see what I have today. First I have this Volcanic Mineral Scrub from Georgette Klinger. Let me go ahead and show you how I use this. Before I put this on, I'm going to put on this thing. And so I don't get my blouse all dirty, I'm going to wear this beautiful robe that I got from High Beauty. Now that I'm ready to try this mask out, I'm going to sanitize my hands with this PURLISSE sanitizer. This is a non-abrasive scrub that majorly smooths and softens without irritating your skin. It uses bits of volcanic minerals to help resurface your complexion by gently slowing away dulling dead skin cells and pore clogging buildup. There are the results of this mask. After my first item, I'm going to go ahead and put on most of my makeup and go to my second item, which is this IT Cosmetics CC Cream. This is color correcting cream and you can use it as concealer. It has SPF 50 to protect your skin, which is great. You should always be wearing SPF no matter if it's summer or winter. It also contains vitamins and antioxidants. This is a buildable formula that evens out your complexion and camouflages spots, but it always looks natural. Here I'm using the CC cream with a concealer brush to outline my brows. And pro tip, you can use this concealer with a concealer brush to sharpen out your winged eyeliner. For my third item in my September IPSY Glambag, I have this Suva Beauty 180 brush. This is a multi-purpose brush that blends cream and powder pigments to perfection. I'll show you 2 different ways to use this one. You can grab translucent powder just like that. You can tap off the excess and then put your powder wherever it's needed. I get really oily in my T-zone, so I'll apply this to my T-zone. The soft synthetic bristles pick up just the right amount of product with minimal fallout and buffs them to a smooth finish. And it's cruelty-free. I'm showing you how to use it with translucent powder and with highlighter. So we got 1, 2, 3 items down. For my fourth item, I received this Tarte Big Ego Mascara in black. It's ultra black and it gives your lashes a dramatic lift, length, and volume. Last but not least, I have this MaELLEBEAUTY Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips in Nude. This actually applied a little more pink than nude, so here it is. This is what it looks like. There you have it. There's all 5 items of my September glam bag. But I'm going to show you some add-ons that I got. Here are 2 products that I absolutely love. First, I have Pacifica Beauty's Bronzer Blush Duo. This is Desert Sunset. The bronzer and the blush are both matte, so I love that. I have oily skin and I like matte products better. Here's another item that I added on. I actually got a sample of this in one of my past glam bags and I fell in love with it. This is the Illamasqua Hydra. It comes in this chic jar and it works as a primer. It's a hydrating primer, but even though I have oily skin, my skin seems to really love it. It acts as a mattifier. It just looks like some clear jelly. And it comes with this little scoop on the lid to help you scoop it out. Here, I'll show you how easy it is to use. I just apply it right before my foundation. So there you guys go. There's all 5 items of my September IPSY Glam bag. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, please give it a like, leave a comment down below, and be sure to follow me for more videos like this.